today we're gonna do something really Christmassy and super fun, so get ready with me. We're gonna do some like Christmas related things since Christmas is right around the corner and we're in the holiday spirit. So we're gonna go on an adventure together. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
What the dog doing?
Oh, pop.
This is spicy too.
Alright guys, that was the end of the vlog. That was the end of the Christmas journey. Thank you so much for coming with me. It's so packed and crowded today. It's so crowded. Oh, that smells really good. This is the park that I would always go to in high school, elementary school, middle school, my whole life. Yeah, it's pretty much just Christmas in the park. Another Christmas in the park anywhere?
There's a drive-through one apparently.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's like this area in downtown where they just set up Christmas trees from like, I don't know, schools and stuff. And then everyone comes here and then there's like really nice hot chocolate. But check out this tree. Nice. I actually haven't been here in a while. It's been like a really while.
Did you come with us last year?
Oh, never mind. I came here last year.
You were, right?
I did. Yo, it's snowing. Whoa. Wait, that actually looks really good. See, trees, and sometimes they're like from different schools or like different organizations, and just like cool little decorations. Oh look, we got Snoopy and Woodstock.
Your dog.
Hey Bell Reese, are you listening?
My bakery opener. I need that
Snow is
chocolate triple.
glistening.
I need that triple ganache. Ganache.
Oh, that's cute, kind of.
I think
That's
I want a movie.
Fantastic Mr. Fox. It is. Cue the aesthetic Christmas music. That's so scary. So this is downtown, and we just want to show you guys and get you in the Christmas spirit.
Song smells divine,
There's
bro.
an ice skating rink right behind that I actually have never been on, but my friends always work there every year during the Christmas time. Oh, I'm getting so overstimulated. Where are we going?
Frosting.
Yeah, why? Oh, it's licking, it's licking.
Lick it, lick it, lick it.
It's on you. There it is, the famous downtown hot chocolate.
Yummy.
That's fire. Wait, actually it's better than I remember it. What is it?
What is what?
A marshmallow?
Maybe.
What flavor is it?
It's just normal. Regular.
That's good.
Nice.
No whipped cream mustache. Alright, we left the crowd. We have our hot cocoa, and that was really fun. This is my Christmas fit check. These are my Uggs. Ew, my socks. Look, they're slipping. Wait. I have socks on. Wait.
Oh, nice.
I have socks on. They're just slipping. Ew, not the ankle socks. Anyways, my TNA Aritzia sweat set that my boyfriend got me. And then my jacket, I think from H&M. But then I just spilled some chocolate on it.
Mmm, yummy.
But that's my fit for today. I Can't wait to go home and play games. This is too much grass touching for me. Hello, good morning. I decided to touch some grass more because I've been getting a lot of brain fog lately, so I feel like I'm just gonna try to absorb that vitamin D in the morning and have like a normal healthy schedule. We're gonna play pickleball today and just, you know, touch grass. Look at this nice little park that we're at. I'm wearing the same jacket that I wore yesterday, but I swear I showered and I changed. Having like a nice set routine and, you know, being in nature in the morning can really help set the mood for the day. That's exactly what I'm doing, and bring you guys along with me. It's honestly so windy right now. I don't think we're gonna be able to play pickleball. I was like, what is this hype with pickleball lately? And I was so confused, but then I started playing with my friends and it's actually so fun. Like, it's like not as hard as tennis, obviously. And I don't know, for someone like me who just wants to exercise a little just to have fun and move my body a bit, I feel like it's really fun. I don't know why everyone hates on it so much. Like, I get it, it's not tennis, but it's not supposed to be tennis. And I don't know, it's just like, why is there so much hate on a sport? It's fun. It's just for fun. It's not that serious. I also really have to pee right now, but I don't think there's any bathrooms near me. I also just ate a Porto sandwich a Porto's bread that my boyfriend's family gave me, and it's so good. I've never had Portos before. I ate some cheese roll thing. So good. And they gave me a guava one. Let's go eat it later after we pickleball because that was fire. I did not think I was gonna like that so much. While they're playing pickleball and there's no space for me on the court, I'm just gonna reapply my lip gloss. Actually, I don't know if I like that smell. This is the In Beauty Poppy one. It's really pretty, but it's so windy. It's like getting into my hair. It's really pretty, but it smells kind of weird. But it's pretty. Restore sushi. Lunchtime. I love grocery store sushi. Cheers. First price. Ooh, my God. Hey, film me. Hey guys, on the spirit of Christmas, my friend Daria from Korea sent me like a nice goodie box. So I'm gonna treat it like a Christmas present. So first, she got me some dandelion tea because I told her I've been feeling really like weak and sick. And she said that this really helped her feel better and like good for blood circulation. So she was supposed to give me this, but she got me like this entire box full of stuff in addition to all of that, just for this dandelion tea. So let's unbox it together. She got me honey butter chips. I love like sweet snacks, so she included these. And oh my gosh, what is this? 먹태깡? What is 먹태깡? Pasta? 바삭하게. Okay. 먹태? Oh yeah, monkfish. It's some fish like snack that looks. Oh, so sorry, good. I just cut your like entire head off. And then whoa, what's this? That you? Oh my God, I love these. Wait. Oh my God! I love it. Oh, cute. But she loves gummies. This girl is a gummy killer. I love how she put little notes. Thank you, Daria. You're so sweet. Cute, but it makes your skin glow. Probiotics. Wait, she gave me probiotics with you need them. 0 gram sugar. That's hello? So cute. Did you not hear me? I said you need them. Oh, that's so cool. I know, she's so thoughtful. Got some more snacks. I feel like I've never seen these snacks before. Peach and kiwi jelly. 한번 먹어볼까? 나도 하나 줘. Sugar-free jelly. Taste test. Cheers. Cheers. Smells so good. Oh my God, I love the way Korean snacks smell. That's so good. I don't want one. Try it. Oh my God. No. It's just 0. That's so good. The texture is so good. We need to find this in America. I think you should fluff your bangs up real quick. Hey! Is that okay? Yeah, it's a lot better actually. No! Limited. Biscuit. Oh my god, there's more stuff in here.
Looks like some
And
kind of, like,
skincare.
pie, but, like,
몽쉘 그런
I've never
거네.
tried that. You wanna try one?
Oh.
음식 과자는
Oh. Tastes like choco pie.
초코파이 같은 거 몽쉘이.
엄마.
엄마 안
It's
먹어.
actually better than choco pie. Oh, face mask. The round lab face mask.
Oh
she
my
knows what's
God.
up.
There's more.
SPF. Apparently,
뭐라고?
go-to snack in Korea these days. Dubai chocolate.
Oh yeah, they are.
Mild cleansing foam. Best collagen jelly I've ever tried. Put it in the fridge and try it. It's way better. Vitamin C pads. I love these. Propolis candy. Anyone want some candy?
Yeah. Oh my god. I have chocolate all over
More
me right now.
spilled crumbs everywhere.
Oh my god, it's like all over me. Help.
Ew. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could see Lauren. She looks like a rat right now.
I showed them my lab.
This is like the ultimate care package.
I know,
And
for
then
real.
this is a daily eye mask. She says with heating function and spa water, it's really good. So cool because like this is like all stuff that I can't get in America. So thank you so much, Daria. This is so sweet and so generous. I'm gonna have to hide this from my sister. No! She also sent me some cushion foundations. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yay, thank you. I'll have fun eating them too.
No.
Look at her. She's hoarding.
Okay guys, I just ate this and it's so good. It's like this fluffy, what is it called? Milky ta. It's like that, but less sweet, and it's like this fluffy marshmallow texture, but it's not marshmallow. It's so good. My boyfriend's family gave me some Portos. I'm gonna try it. Let's try it. Merry Christmas, everyone. Now after this, I think we should take an everything shower. This is the guava one. I had the cheese roll earlier and it was delicious. Mmm. Marshmallow. Mmm.
해나's 먹방 time.
After eating all those delicious snacks, I think it's time for a Christmas shower, everyone. See you soon! Okay, before my everything shower, there's two things that I always do. One is I brush my hair when it's dry. I'll never brush it when it's wet because that's when your hair is the most fragile. So it will lead to more breakages because you're pulling on like wet hair and it's not good. If you start from the top and you have knots here and you're just dragging it down, you're just gonna be like yanking it and trying to brush that out. But if you start from the bottom, be no knots when you're like going down, if that makes sense. So that's what I do. This will help my hair be not as tangled. And also, I also have a mask on. I just use raw honey because I like to put a mask on before I shower so it's easier to wash off. I've been breaking out like pretty bad. Now I'm gonna go shower and then I'll be so clean and warm and refreshed for the night. In the spirit of Christmas, I like to make gift bags for people, whether it's for my friends or my families or for my family's friends. I like to just make it all for everyone. Today we're meeting up with my college roommate, which was almost like 2 or 3 years ago that I haven't seen her, which has been crazy because it feels like I just left Davis like yesterday. But I only have this bag and we're gonna fill this up with all the goodies that she deserves, and hopefully she could share some with her family and friends as well. So yay, come make a little gift bag with me. Like, I'm not usually a really good gift giver because I'm always so scared that they're not gonna like what I give them, but hopefully she'll like everything that we choose today. So let's go. Okay, I hope she likes it. I filled up, oh my gosh, it might be ripping, but I included a lot of things I want to show you guys. I really hope she likes it. Really hope she likes it. I included a lot of my favorites. I tried to do like some skincare, Laneige, Charlotte Tilbury, Milk makeup, I don't know, like everything, In Beauty Project. Can you tell? I don't know, I just really want her to like it. I'm like scared. Fenty Beauty. I included, oh no, I'm so sorry, I bent this. This is the toothpaste Born This Way, Milk makeup. I included some Drunk Elephant, some Say Beauty, like
some eyeshadow palettes that I hope she loves. And yeah, Drunk Elephant. I got this Bisou Balm. This is really nice. It's like this matte one. Tons of shades of like lip liners, lip glosses, some skincare products. I don't know, just like a lot of things that I hope she will like that I really love. Supergoop, like everything. I don't know. Oh, I also included this like Caudalie kit because I love Caudalie and I hope she loves it too. Gift giving is like a lot of pressure and I'm always so scared that they're not gonna like it. So I'm trying to just include everything that I can in here. I should have gotten like a box, but I kind of don't have time. So sorry. I might need another bag though because this is actually gonna, I'm like, I can't even hold it up. It's the season of gift giving and I have a few more bags that I made, so I'm gonna have to give those out as well to my friends and my family. Merry Christmas, everyone. I don't know, even though the bag is completely full, I just feel like we've known each other so much and so long. We went through a lot of stuff together and I just want to give her like more. So let's just see if I can find more things that I can add to fill up that bag. Milk makeup blushes that are my favorite. They like fit perfectly in the bag because they're, let me show you, fit perfectly in the bag because they're like tiny. But they won't add too much extra space. Let's see what else we can give her. Ooh, Glossier lip balm. I think we could include some of these in there. And ooh, maybe some Kosas. I have a BB cream here. That will look super good on her. Hopefully that is her shade. When I make gift boxes, I usually try to do like all the fundamentals, like a cleanser, a moisturizer, a toner, a SPF, like lip balm, blush, like everything that somebody needs. But I do want to just pack as much stuff as I can for her because I missed her a lot. How about this Say Beauty blush? I feel like that's enough for now. Okay, I actually found more things. I got this Makeup Forever palette. I think she will love this. And Makeup Forever lipstick, Barrier Restore cream, and Skin Fix Barrier serum. I feel like I'm like a huge skincare barrier girly. So we're gonna put that into this bag. Yippee! Ta-da! The gift bag, she'll be here in like 2 hours, so I'm gonna go get ready.